So what you'll need is 4 hard-boiled eggs, about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. If you can get your hands on Kewpie mayonnaise, you can use that. Since Kewpie is not widely available for everybody, I'm just going to use plain mayonnaise. A quick note, use regular mayonnaise, the one with eggs and not the one with the lemon. A teaspoon of sugar, salt and pepper to taste, and of course some bread to make the sandwiches with. So first of all, we're gonna separate the eggs from the egg yolk. I'm gonna show you a small trick that I recently discovered. You take your egg, place it on your chopping board, put a knife to it, not all the way through, and then just push. And there you go, your egg whites and egg yolks are separated. Put the egg yolks in a bowl and put the egg whites aside. We're not going to use all of the egg whites. We just need the egg whites of 2 eggs for this recipe. Of course, don't throw these away. Feed them to your dog or eat them yourself. Do something with them, useful. For the remaining egg whites, I'm just going to chop them up roughly. It really depends on how chunky you like your egg salad. Usually I like it chunky, but for the 7-Eleven one, I like it when the eggs are not super symmetrical. So this is pretty good for me. Let's set that aside. All right, now it's time for the assembly. Take a fork and smush your egg yolks. Keep doing that until all of the big chunks are removed. Add the mayonnaise and the sugar and mix everything up. Now let's add the egg whites. Season it with some pepper and some salt. Give it a good mix. Already looking very good. Take your bread, put some egg salad on it, a nice and thick layer. Cut it in 2, because everybody knows that shapes have flavors. Your 7-Eleven Sando is ready.